Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how a transformer component is implemented in a Spring integration application. A bonus tip: are you in a hurry to learn Spring integration? Well, I have good news for you all who want to understand the fundamentals of Spring integration. Check out the Udemy course link in description, and you can access all the Spring integration training videos in just one click. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Kek so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Open Spring Integration project in Eclipse IDE. Step 1. Let's write the controller code. In Employee Controller class, let's add the code for transformer. Now, what is a transformer? A transformer takes a message from a channel and creates a new message containing converted payload or message structure. Let's copy the get mapping call and update it. Change the method name to process employee status and path value as slash process employee status slash status. Now, change the path variable name to status and update the gateway method call to process employee status. Step 2. Let's write the gateway code. In employee gateway interface, copy one of the interface methods, change method name to process employee status, string parameter passed as status, and request channel as EMP status input channel. Add comments and save the file. Step 3. Let's write the service code. In employee service class, let's add the code for transformer. Add and define a convert to uppercase method with return type as message of string. And also pass a message parameter of type message of string. Now, add @transformer annotation on top of the method and import it. Pass an input and an output channel. So, our input channel will be the one mentioned in the gateway interface method, that is EMP status input channel. Let's change it to EMP status channel. And the output channel is output channel. So, the request goes from the request channel of gateway to the input channel of service. Now, let's implement the transformer code. Fetch the payload from the message. Now create the transformed message using with payload method of message builder class and pass uppercase payload to it. Call the copy headers method by passing the headers and finally call the build method on top of it. Return the new transformed message. Now let's have the common output channel. Copy get employee status, update channel to output channel, method to consume string message, parameter to message of string as message, add appropriate sysouts and save the file. Let's start the application. Step 4. Open Postman tool. Make a GET call using REST API. Localhost /8080 slash integrate slash process employee status slash hired and click on send button. You can see we got the message hired in the output in uppercase. Go back to Eclipse. You can see in console log received message from output channel hired. Hence, the get mapping calls the gateway method and the message goes from request channel of gateway to the input channel of service and then finally returns the message as the output. So we have seen how transformer component is implemented in a Spring integration application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.